It just went off, and I missed it.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Okay, maybe the microphone doesn't work. There, I missed it.
Algonquin, McHenry, Belvedere, Woodstock, Zion, Loves Park,
Let's see if it'll go do a double.
Grays Lake, Libertyville, Round Lake, Antioch, Beach Park, Oconto,
Beach Park.
Fox Lake, Harvard, Lakeville, and Island Lake. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds,
Right.
Cane-O Lake State Park, College of Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Moraine Hills State Park, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley
Yep.
College, Rockford Aviators Baseball, Rockford
Yeah.
Speedway,
Yep.
Six Flags Great
Yep,
America,
it's us.
and Winnebago County Fairgrounds.
Yep, that's
For
us.
your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms may occur before any rain or lightning in portions of the warning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek
Are you
shelter
sure about
immediately
that?
inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Damaging winds and continuous cloud to frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately.
EAS 4.
Leading killers.
Will it be a double header?
This is no
Nope.
radio.
Oh well.
57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast.
They're stuck
to
over
occur
there
now.
with
Listening
batteries. What does that mean?
weather
Yeah.
on Kilns or Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb.
There's severe thunderstorm warning. So there's that. EAS 4. Have a great day, everyone.